Now, your KSBW weather forecast with meteorologist Art Jarrett.
Well, good morning to you. Let's take a look at what's happening here as we go into Salinas here this morning. We're looking at 55 degrees for your temperature with, well, we'll get some extra sunshine. We'll call it mostly cloudy skies. We zoom it in big time. We'll see conditions to be mostly in the 40s along the beaches. 47 in Monterey right now. 48 as you get down into Carmel Valley. Salinas currently is 52 degrees. We'll get into windier conditions later on, but right now our winds are light. Winds are up in San Francisco by the Golden Gate Bridge. We'll pick up temperatures to be like this today. Wind advisory in effect along our local beaches, working across the area of Monterey Bay, right back down along Big Sur coast. We're looking at winds at least up to 20 to 35 miles per hour, gusts to 40. That'll also affect our mountains as well. And you see these winds kind of moving through the area. That's all in effect about 11 o'clock this morning, continues to about 8 o'clock. The winds will be persistent right through the Santa Cruz Mountains and right into the Salinas Valley as well. How about this? Clouds and rainfall taking us to mostly cloudy skies, possibly cloudy conditions once you get in the Santa Cruz Mountains, low-lying areas. In fact, we'll see the clouds holding on to at least mostly cloudy till about the 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock hour. That's when we break it all down and get into mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies overnight. 60s for us and some 70s today, maybe some low 70s, 70s and 80s in Southern California. We're looking at conditions to be about 60 to 72 degrees, mostly cloudy skies with windy and gusty conditions. You see the winds right there, 20 to 35 miles per hour, gust to 40. 62 degrees expected for Monterey. Santa Cruz about 69 degrees with 70s over in Capitola, Wattsville, and Aptos. We'll see some 60s and 70s right down through the Salinas Valley, 69 for Gilroy. Other locations, once you get into Morgan Hill, 68 degrees, Capitola 70, picking up 61 in Carmel. And then, of course, your forecast tonight, 38 to 48 degrees. And your KSBW 8-day forecast will get into conditions to be sunnier tomorrow and a good-looking weekend ahead.